But Sammy, it's not a big deal.
No. Why did I even sign up for this?
It'll just take a second.
Okay, but I'll turn away.
As you wish. Okay, let's start. That's all. Come on, you can turn around. One half is for you and one for me.
I still think it's Oreo abuse.
I can't help it if there's only one cookie left. You know what? It seems I figured out how to make an Oreo cookie that isn't so scary to split in half.
That means I can eat your half of the cookie too, then?
Okay, but then we'll start to cook. Hi guys! Today we decided to make something really yummy. We're going to make a big 3-layer Oreo cake.
Oh, I knew it! Now you need to bake it, then we'll have to wait a million years. Who knows when I can taste it?
Come on, Sammy. See these boxes? It's a cake mix, so there's no need to use an oven. That's what our cake will look like. Oh, it's like a giant cookie. I'm so excited! So let's open the box. How convenient! There's everything we need. First, this baggie with the base. Next, the filling. And the upper layer. And even the mold where we'll build the cake.
Well, partner, shall we start?
Oh yeah, here we go. It's so easy you won't believe your eyes. First, we need to mix the cookie powder with some melted butter. Up, carefully. Pour all the baggie contents into the bowl. This way.
Here's the butter, Sue.
Thanks, just in time. Here we go. Good. Now it's time to mix it very well.
Go on, Sue.
Let's start building the cake. We'll put the mix of chocolate powder and butter into the mold and press the mix a little bit with a spatula. Don't rush. Do everything nice and careful. See? This way.
I guess I know what's next. We need to place the cream on top.
You're right, but we need to prepare it first. Let's mix our cream powder with milk. Carefully open the baggie.
Why don't you use scissors, Sue?
Oh, thanks, Sammy. You're always one step ahead. All right, now let's pour the powder into the bowl bit by bit. Every last grain.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Thanks!
To help you with the mixer.
Now we're ready to build the second layer.
Did you know I smoothed the cream like a pro?
I'd be happy to see how a true master works. Go on.
Watch and learn, Sue.
Great! We have a cake layer, a cream layer. Here comes the last touch. Let's take a pinch of cocoa crumbs and sprinkle our cream with it. There. Try to be careful, guys, and not make a mess.
And now we can eat.
Not so fast, Sammy. The cake needs to rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours.
Sorry, what? Rest? But it didn't work. I did. Now I have to wait. It's so unfair.
Oh, Sammy, we've got a lot of work to do, so you just won't have time to count the seconds.
What do you mean? You said 3-layer cake and we've already made all 3!
What a naive slime. We've only made the first cake layer. You'll speed up the process if you make the same as the previous one.
Everything will be ruined without me.
Let's use some culinary magic to make everything happen. Drum roll! I love this trick. Check out another one. we're going to put it all together. And ta-da! The cake is ready.
Told ya, easy peasy.
Yeah, right. We've been working on this trick for 2 hours.
Okay, there, you are ready.
So can I start or what?
Action!
Now let's put it all together. Was that good, Sammy?
Oh, well, could be better. That's not your first trick, I mean. Fine, we're out of time. Mix the first ingredient, stick to the plan.
Okay, I know. All right. There we go, this way. Sammy!
Yeah, keep mixing. I'll be right back.
Oh, come on, Sammy, we're trying to shoot a trick here.
Fine, I'm coming.
How long do I have to whisk this?
Oh, so stop whining. You've been whisking for only 20 minutes.
You know what? Whisk yourself.
Have you ever seen a true cameraman using a whisk?
Well, then the cameraman won't eat the cake either.
I suggest forgetting our grievances and get a fresh start. In the meantime, I made my cake, too.
While our cake layers are chilling in the fridge, we need to prepare many things. Frosting, ganache, Oreo decorations. Oh, it's gonna be great. Now go into the fridge, my sweeties.
Shoo, did you decide to make another layer?
No, Sammy, but we need something to cover the cake.
I know, frosting!
Yay! We'll make a perfect vanilla frosting. First of all, we need to pour the cream into a bowl this way. Then add some sugar powder. Oh, we need more. More! And a pinch of vanilla for flavor.
Now we'll whisk it all together.
Right you are, Sammy. Guys, use a mixer here because it's rather hard to do this manually. We need to whisk it until the whipped cream forms. Be careful.
That's so beautiful, Shoo. Mesmerizing. All right, Susie, what do we do next?
Now, we need to whisk this cream cheese until it's nice and soft. Guys, remember that a mixer is not a toy. Don't forget to be very careful using it. Or you better ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Shoo, I'm so hungry. When will our cake be ready?
Just a little bit left, Sammy. We're almost done with the frosting.
While Shoo's making the frosting, I'm gonna go fetch the cakes.
Guys, check out our cake layers. Let's finally build the cake. And voila! Sam, one layer is missing.
I brought one layer to Fluffy. I thought he deserved one.
Okay, Sammy. Remember, you need to make the decor with cookies.
Susie, have I ever refused to do the decor, especially Oreo ones?
Now we can start frosting. Wow, it came out so rich. That's the consistency you should get. Now carefully put the frosting on the cake and spread it evenly on the surface.
Did you know Oreo's slogan used to be Milk's favorite cookie? Well, it's mine too.
That's a very interesting fact, Sammy. Actually, Oreo has had 5 different slogans throughout history. One of them was for the kid in all of us.
Whoa, cool! I didn't know about all that, Stu.
Guys, you can put as much frosting as you want. Thumbs up if you like a lot of frosting. Don't rush, move smoothly, and cover it nicely and neatly this way.
Stu, I can't wait anymore. Let me finish this while you can make the ganache.
Sounds like a plan. I like your enthusiasm. So, these are all the ingredients for the ganache. We need to heat up heavy cream in a microwave for about 1 minute. Done. Take some chocolate drops. They're so cute.
Need some help, Stu?
Take the butter.
What should I do with it?
Melt it.
Got it.
In the meantime, we add chocolate to the heavy cream. There we go.
The butter is ready.
Thank you, assistant. Let's pour it in. Now it's time to stir. Start from the outside in, all around, making sure the butter gets in there too. Wow, guys, can you see that? This cream looks like caramel. Awesome.
Yeah, so that's very beautiful.
Look, the consistency of our ganache is just perfect. Mmm.
The next step is putting it on the cake.
Exactly. Let's begin. Carefully put the ganache along the edge of your cake using a spoon this way. Yummy!
Spare no ganache, Sue.
Well, here's the result.
So it's time for confectionery magic. Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribe-ity! Did you see that? I'm Defo, the master of decor.
Wow, Sammy, you did a really good job. The cake is so beautiful.
Susie, I'm ready to eat our cake.
Not so fast. Let's make the tea first.
You gotta be kidding me. I've already been waiting for so long.
Can you wait just 5 more seconds then?
You're playing with fire, Susan.
Okay. Here we go. The biggest piece for the most impatient slime.
Finally, the time has come. Yay!
Here comes your long-awaited piece.
Oh, it's so beautiful that I feel sorry I'm gonna eat it. But I'm still gonna do it. Come here, my precious. So, what is that thing in the middle?
Didn't you forget? We added some Oreo crumbs.
Oh, yeah, right. You're right.
Guys, if you liked our cake, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I'm gonna cut a piece for myself. Bye!
One more for me, too. Hit the bell button, guys. We've got lots of new videos ahead. See ya!